It's time for a fit check. Today, I'm talking with stylist Allison Bornstein.
Excited to be here, Kohl's mom. Let's get into the looks.
Okay, so Savannah is wondering, are there other shoes that could work with this outfit?
Yes, I'm loving how the cow print ballet flat really adds some unexpected personality to the otherwise boho look. What if she tried something even more wrong?
Like a colorful sneaker?
Or a loafer or a chunky boot?
Okay, what about a clog?
Love.
Man, all of a sudden my shoes are looking a little too right. Caro wants to know, what do you think about denim on denim? Now, I personally love a Canadian tuxedo moment. I say the more denim, the better.
I agree. Wearing the same wash makes you look confident and committed. And notice how she has the white t-shirt. It's a nice buffer piece to kind of break up the denim on denim.
Oh, you could even mix a lighter wash with a darker wash to kind of spice things up.
Yes, mixing the shades is such an easy way to make an all denim look feel really modern.
I love it. Kay is testing out the rule of thirds to make herself look taller. And she wants to know, is it working? Okay, Kay. Oh, that's fun to say. Is it me or is she nailing it?
I agree. See how she's using the high-waisted pant, the crop top, and the tucked-in shirt to break up the body into 3 ratios instead of splitting it in half?
Now that is some math I can get behind. Jake asked, how can I build a capsule wardrobe based on this outfit?
And this look makes for a great foundation, because from here, it's all about repeating the formula. So when you're shopping, look for pieces in the same color palette, so everything mixes and matches and it feels super easy.
Because if it works, you can wear it again and again and again.
And again.
Great point. I love getting the stamp of approval from someone who knows.